Okay, well, here's the verdict with the new AC-4 power supply board installed. This has made a huge difference in the transmission capability of this TR4. It really seems to put the juice out. I really don't own a watt meter yet, but using my light bulb per usual, and it really lights it up. So that that's as bright as it ever was. So I think the power supply was a success. I think I gotta neutralize the finals in this thing, but boy, that is working well. That's 80 meters. Let's go on to 40 meters here. There's 40. Boy, it's really, really going. Okay, there's 40. Yeah, it's cooking with gas now. My finals need neutralized though. All right, well, that's it. That's the TR4 cooking with a new AC-4 power supply and the KE9 board that I got from eBay for like 84 bucks. It made a big difference. So you can look at my videos on how to put that board into your AC-4 power supply. This thing's probably been running on low voltage for a long, long time, so that made a huge difference. So now I'm going to move on to the T4XB transmitter and see how that thing works. That was the reason why I took the power supply apart. I couldn't get any power out of this radio, and on the TX4B I just did a real harsh clean job on it, and after putting it back together it wouldn't transmit, so I thought I broke it, and I still may have broken it, but let's try the T4XB now. Let's see how it works. Well, we could go to 20 meters here. Let's see, there's 80, 40. There's 20 meters. Do a quick peek on it. This thing eats up. This thing has so much plate now, it's like ridiculous. So it's dangerous. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. Nice big peak. Yeah, it's really working. Let's go to 15. Give this a shot on the TR4. 15 meters. Nope. Take a load down. My drive is barely up here too. The drive is barely up. So this thing was really lacking a lot of voltage. It's scary now. Too much plate on that. Okay. Nothing on 15 at all. Yeah, I got a lot of drive, so I'm not sure why. Okay, a little bit of drive. Can't get any plate on 15. Okay, there's some plate. Dip. Barely. Get some load. Some more plate. Give it some more juice. Oh, nothing on 15. Oh, it's on a little bit. So 15, I wonder why. Let's see, we got drive. We got lots of dip here. Okay, it wants load. 15 needs a lot of load. Wow, okay, that's working out better. I don't want to burn a final on this thing. It's got 3 finals to worry about. Alright, so needing some fans on here. Anyway, 15 looks pretty good. Let's give it a punch up with the drive here for a sec. Give it some torture. Okay, punch it up. Boom. That's all I got. That's enough. Alright, that's 15. I think we're at 20. That was 15. Let's try 10 meters. Here's 10. Peek it. There's some peak. Got some drive. Take a drive down. Go to CW. Do a dip on 10. A little more drive. A little more dip. There's some dip on 10. Give it some drive. Yeah, I got output on 10 here. It's not bad. 10 likes a lot of coupling, I think. Whoa, no, that's too much plate. Anyway, so much for that. The thing's working. Now I'm going to try the TX4 or T4XB and see how that works out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.